Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am your instructor Samreen Akhtar Sahito. Today I am going to teach you the past perfect tense from class 8th. First of all, you have to know the definition of the past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? The past perfect tense expresses the idea that something happened before another action in the past. Now the other definition is, it can also say that something happened before a specific time in the past. Easily तरीक़े सां ईअं खणी चई सघिजे थो त पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस हिकिड़ो अहिड़ो टेंस आहे जेको हिकु अहिड़े एक्शन खे ज़ाहिर करे थो जेको कंहिं ॿिए पास्ट खां पहिरियां बि थी चुको हुजे, कंहिं पास्ट खां पहिरियां थी चुको हुजे. Now, what is difference between past simple tense and past perfect tense? Actually, these tenses are related to each other, but there is little bit difference between them. So, I want to tell you that what is difference between past simple tense and past perfect tense. Now, first of all, come to the past simple tense. You have a specific time phrase. Yesterday, last night, last week, few weeks ago, few hours ago, etc. ये खणी चई सघिजे थो त जॾहिं बि पास्ट सिंपल टेंस इस्तेमालु कयो वञे त उन जे पोयां को बि टाइम फ्रेज़ लॻायो वञे. बिकॉज़ पास्ट सिंपल टेंस इज़ सच टाइप ऑफ अ सेंटेंस दैट शो द स्पेसिफिक टाइम ऑफ डूइंग एनी वर्क. यानी पास्ट सिंपल टेंस हिकिड़ो अहिड़ो टेंस हूंदो आहे जेको कंहिं बि कम जे लाइ कंहिं ख़ासि वक़्त खे ज़ाहिर कंदो आहे. हाणे ॾिसूं था पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में कहिड़ो डिफरेंस आहे. यू डोंट हैव ए स्पेसिफिक टाइम फ्रेज बिकॉज द टाइम इज़ नॉट दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट. हिन में तव्हां को बि टाइम फ्रेज इस्तेमालु नथा करे सघो बिकॉज यू डोंट नो दैट व्हेन डिड द एक्शन हैपन. एक्चुअली द एक्शन हैज़ बिन हैपन बिफोर द पास्ट सिंपल टेंस. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू शो द time phrase at the end of the sentence in past perfect tense. Now come to the examples. Past simple tense. She went to the market yesterday. Here kala market vai. Now look at the examples in the past simple tense. Here I have used a yesterday time phrase. It means you can recognize that it is a past simple tense, and with past simple tense we can use time phrase. Now look at the example number 2 which is mentioned in the past perfect tense. She had gone to the market before she went to school. Here I haven't shown any time phrase. That's why we can say that it is a past perfect tense, but I want to clear you more that to recognize the past perfect tense you have to give the dependent clause. Through dependent clause you can understand easily. Formation of past perfect tense is now the first of all affirmative sentence. How can we make the affirmative sentences of past perfect tense? First of all, you have to give the subject, then helping verb head, then past participle. Past participle means third form of the verb, plus object or extension. Negative sentence formation is subject plus head not plus past participle plus object or extension. Interrogative sentence formation is head plus subject plus past participle plus object or extension. This is a pictorial example which I have arranged for you. This is a boy, this is a train. When he arrived to the train station, the train had left. जॾहिं हीअ ट्रेन स्टेशन पहुतो त ट्रेन वञी चुकी हुई. Now come to the timeline. Boy stands at 9:15 a.m. Now the train has been left at 9 a.m. you can understand easily. The boy has come late. Now the train has gone. So we can say that train stood at past perfect tense and the boy is stood at 9:15 a.m. It means we can say that the past perfect tense is such type of a tense that show the action which has happened before another past. This is activity for you. Write PST if the sentence is in past tense and the PPT if the sentence is in past perfect tense. ही जुमला तव्हांखे सभु पढ़ना आहिनि. जेकॾहिं को बि जुमिलो पास्ट टेंस जो आहे त हिन जुमिले जे पोयां PST लॻाईंदव. जेकॾहिं को बि जुमिलो तव्हांखे लॻे थो त पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस जो आहे त उन जे पोयां तव्हां PPT लॻाईंदव. It is up to you that whether you recognize the sentences or not. Now do exercise at your homes and check out these sentences. Thank you for your watching. Hope you understood.